I've spoken to hundreds of people around the world, from corporations to governments, about what makes successful digital transformation. The key message is always the same. Don't make the mistake of thinking that digital transformation is just about technology, social media, and digitized services. Technology is a tool and digital a channel. It's your people that will truly drive the success or failure of your strategy in this digital age.
I would want my government to be much more joined up. I would want to be able to use as many channels as possible to interact with them. I'd want to be able to do it online. I'd want to be able to do it any time of day. And I would want government departments to talk to each other.
I think there's a whole load of things we need to deconstruct and then rebuild with more business transformation and digital in mind.
And with the advent of the technology that goes alongside that, it creates much more velocity. And the banks run at a particular pace. People's lives have changed, so they're relevant.
Fastly growing and changing all over the world, and we should keep pace with that.
I think that this is new, and of course I'm going to apply it in office when I go back to India.
I've learned some very new terms which were earlier not in my domain. There's the Internet of Things and cloud computing.
Savvy, we should be more tech savvy, and we should be more informed.
And we cannot lag behind. We have to innovate.
The interaction and the collaborative approach we all took, and hope to apply the same in my office environment too.
I mean, seeing something away from what I know, away from the boundaries, looking for something new, innovative, away from the boundaries.
More relevant with the times and become more effective at what we do.
If you don't empower the people to use those tools properly, then those digital tools are obsolete, I guess.
I understand how those global trends, I can utilize them to impact positively in my company.
Things here that we can take and customize it to our organization.
Really engaging, and I feel enthused, and something I'm not frightened of anymore.
Digital is not about technology, it's about people, and understanding that is key.
I think collectively we work together, collaborate more, we can break down that silo mentality.
I think the best thing about this session today was that it really made things not seem too complicated. Just got to keep talking, keep trying ideas, and you'll get that.
In essence, it's about people. So it is to understand what could be done around people and culture to advance digital transformation.